behalf of Ms. MS D. Das Burman, she is in bereavement, my lord. So matter may be passed over for the day.
Heard Miss
M. Burman.
M. Burman, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Miss D. Burman, submits that as the counsel for the appellant is in bereavement, this matter may be adjourned for the day.
For the day.
The prayer is allowed.
Obliged.
I beg to mention item number 36. It may kindly be fixed in the second week of the May, my lord.
36.
Yes, I have taken the consent from the other side, my lord.
What is your name?
I am Pandit.
You're for?
I am for the petitioner.
Heard Mr. M. Pandit, learned counsel for the applicant, who prays for an adjournment on the ground of personal difficulty. He submits that he has informed the counsel for the other side regarding his prayer for adjournment, who does not have any objection to the same. Hence, the prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed in the second week of May on a date to be fixed by registry.
Much.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for item number 31. On the last occasion, this honorable court directed to take the steps on all respondent lordship. According to the office note lordship, the notice cannot be served because of the not having the proper address, lordship. We would like to take the first steps upon this all respondent lordship.
You wait for your turn. We'll pass the order after going through the records.
Hearing the item 6.
Otherwise, I have talked to him, and
You have spoken.
I have spoken to him, lordship. He has not raised any objection, lordship.
Okay. None has appeared for the petitioner on call. Mr. K. Das, learned counsel for the learned additional public prosecutor. Till when you need time?
Tomorrow I will try, lordship.
Learned additional public prosecutor prays for some more time to answer the query posed by this court on 25/3/2026. He submits that he has also informed learned counsel for the petitioner regarding his prayer for. We are allowing the prayer till tomorrow.
Lordship.
Show the presence of Mr. H.A. Ahmed. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed again tomorrow, that is on 21st of April.
Much of.
Episode item 1.
It is an appeal on quantum, wages and disability. Maybe admit to lordship.
Mr. R. Goswami, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. B. Chetri appearing for claimant.
Yes.
Appearing for claimant respondents. This appeal under section 173 of the Motor Vehicles Act has been preferred by the appellant insurance company, impugning the judgment and award dated 22/10/2019 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Dibrugarh in MSC case number 29/2018, whereby the appellant was directed to pay a compensation amount of rupees 20,02,157 to the claimants, respondent number 1. Stop. I have gone through the memo of appeal. The appellant is mainly aggrieved with the quantum of compensation awarded to the claimant. The appeal is admitted. Let the records of MAC case number 29/2018 be called for from the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Dibrugarh. Let also the registry shall take steps. You are appearing for only one.
One, yes.
When three, will not be required, so it's purely on quantum wages and this. Dear served notice earlier on other EL also.
Since Mr. Chetri has appeared for the respondents claimants, no formal notice need to be issued to them. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that since this appeal is mainly directed against the quantum of the compensation awarded to the claimant, the notice to the owner and driver of the offending vehicle may be waived. The prayer is allowed. The notice to respondent number 2 and 3 is waived. Let this matter be listed after receipt of the records of MAC case number 29/2018 on 1st of June.
Obligation.
Any stay petition is there?
Yes, sir. Please take it.
You pay 50%.
Yes, sir.
Third, Mr. R. Goswami and Mr. B. Chetri. This application under say Order 41 Rule 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 has been filed by the applicant insurance company in connection with MAC appeal number 523/2025, praying for stay of execution of the impugned judgment and award during the pendency of the connected appeal. Learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the appellant insurance company is ready to deposit 50% of the awarded amount as a condition for grant of stay of execution of the impugned judgment and award. Stop. Learned counsel for the opposite party claimants is also agreeable to said offer, and therefore he does not oppose the prayer for grant of stay. Accordingly, this interlocutory application is allowed. The execution of impugned judgment and award dated 22/10/2019 passed in MAC case number 29/2018 shall remain stayed during the pendency of the connected MAC appeal number 523/2025, subject to deposit of 50% of the awarded amount by the claimant insurance company before the registry of this court within 6 weeks from the date of this order. Stop. In the event of such deposit, registry shall disburse the same to the claimants after proper verification. This interlocutory application is accordingly disposed of.
Obligation.
Item 2.
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for time being.
Yes, please.
Please be withdrawn. Therefore, this appeal is preferred by the claimant for enhancement of compensation law.
But Mr. A.R. Agarwal, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. K.K. Bhatto, learned counsel for the respondent number,
One insurance company.
respondent number 1 insurance company. This appeal under section 173 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 has been preferred by the claimants / appellants, impugning the judgment and award dated 7/2/2023 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 2 Kamrup Metro, Gauhati in MAC case number 707/2020. Stop. The appellants / claimants are mainly aggrieved with the quantum of compensation awarded to them. Stop. After going through the grounds stated in the memo of appeal, this appeal is admitted. Let the records of MAC case number 707/2020 be called for from the concerned tribunal. Let also notice be issued to the respondents. Since Mr. K.K. Bhatto has appeared for respondent number 1, no formal notice need to be issued to the respondent number 1.
I've supplied copy.
As regards respondent number 2 and 3, the appellant shall take steps for issuance of notice to the said respondents by speed post. Only by speed post. By speed post within 7 days from the date of this order, returnable on 3rd of June, list accordingly.
Four.
My lord, kindly pass over for the time being, my lord. He is in traffic jam, my lord.
Who?
Mr. S.K. Goswami.
You may appear for,
I have no briefs, my lord.
this is for the, we'll admit the appeal. But is there any stay application?
This is a separate application.
Stay application is,
It's numbered as 2604.
you have any objection?
I don't have any.
I'm
I'm insurance company.
Claimant, you have objection.
Subject to payment. of
50%. For that 50% presence of Mr.
Yeah, S.K. Goswami.
Goswami will be necessary. We'll take it up after some time.
Orders, item 7, 8, and 9.
Lordship, in this matter, the arguing counsel stuck in flood, Lordship, they could not come today. Madam,
We'll adjourn it. What is the,
Lordship, I is there for delay condonation, Lordship.
what is your name?
PP dash Lordship on behalf of Mr. A. Vodua.
Heard Miss P.P. Das, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Borua, learned counsel for the applicant, who prays for an adjournment,
Any date next week.
who prays for an adjournment on the ground of personal difficulty of the conducting counsel. Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the insurance company, does not oppose the prayer. Hence, the prayer is allowed. Next week,
29.
let this matter be listed on 29th of April.
Item 10. Item number 10.
None has appeared for the applicant on call. List this matter on 20.
Hearing for 10.
Item number 10.
Yes, Your Lordship. I beg your pardon.
Yes.
Your Lordship's service is complete in this matter.
This is records, I say.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, we'll fix it for hearing.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for the appellant. Who submits that service of notice on all the respondents is complete in this case, and this matter is ready for hearing. Stop. Let this matter be listed for hearing on 21st of July.
Much.
Item 11.
May please lordships. My lord, LCR was called for, my lord, but not received as per office note, my lord. So, my lord.
Heard Mr. S. Ahmed, learned counsel for the appellants. On perusal of the office note dated 11/3/2026, it appears that the records of concerned MEC case has not yet been received. Issue reminder to the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 1 and call for a report from the said tribunal as to why, in spite of repeated notices, records of the MEC case number. What was the MEC case number?
My lord,
MEC case number 1152/2014 has not yet been sent to this court. List this matter again on 1st of June.
obligation.
Item 12.
May please be your lordship. I am for the opposite party respondent. I 1074, it was served to me, but the contents is there is a different petition, stay petition. Due to some importance, may be served to me. Because in the IA there is a delay of 209 days.
Delay has not yet been condoned.
I am for the opposite party, but the petition was not served to me. The importantly, some other petition was served to me. Because the number is same, but if I read the
This is the item number
12,
12.
if there is a stay petition,
Mr. Goswami was there.
maybe we try to furnish the copy of the petition. So that I could file a objection.
None has appeared for the applicant on call. Mr. S.R. Gogoi, learned counsel for the
Opposite party.
opposite party claimant.
Yes, yes. I'm a minor girl represented by her mother.
Opposite party is present, who submits that he has not received the copy of the delay condonation application. Rather, he has been served with a copy of
The stay petition.
application for stay of the impugned order. Stop. The applicant is directed to furnish the copy of the delay condonation application to the learned counsel for the opposite party within a period of 7 days from the date of this order.
I 1074. This. number,
Within bracket likhibo of IA 1074
/20.
/ 2020. Let this matter be listed on 1st of June.
Obliged.
Item 13 and 14.
Last order, we were directed to deposit 1 lakh rupees each. And they have filed the opposite party has filed the IA that was disposed of at the last date.
This MEC appeal is ready for hearing.
Yes, your lordship. We've also deposited 50% of the awarded amount before the registry as per the instruction I received.
Item number
13 and 14.
where is 14? Heard Mr. R. Sharma,
Yes, sure.
S. Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that in pursuant to the directions of this court, you are appearing for insurance company.
Insurance company or rental insurance
The
company.
appellant insurance company has deposited the 50% of the awarded amount.
As per last order, as per order dated in 2023, your lordship.
Stop. He also
24, 20.
he also submits that this appeal is ready for hearing. No, as regards service, whether service is complete or not.
Lordship, I have not gone through the office note, your
ಈ
lordship.
last line to continue, ready for hearing continue.
Regarding three, lordship, regarding the driver and the owner, I think that will not be completed as of now.
It appears from the office note dated 2/2/2023 that the notice issued to respondent number 3 and respondent number 4 have been duly served. However, notice issued to respondent number 5 has returned without service. Accordingly, the appellant is directed to take steps for issuance of notice upon respondent number 5 by speed post within 7 days from the date of this order, returnable on 3rd of June.
Item 15.
As per office note, lordship, service to the respondent number 8 perhaps completed.
You are appearing for?
I am appearing for respondent number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. In fact, lordship, I also appeared for respondent number 3, but 3 expired. So I am for 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. 7, so far last order, it is completed. And so far respondent number 8 is concerned, as per office note. Office note says notice was served.
7 report has not yet been received back.
But as per last order of this honorable court, lordship,
Yes, last order is of 2024.
yes.
Heard Miss L. Sharma, learned counsel for the M. Khan, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. Who submit, learned counsel for the respondent submits that respondent number 3 has already expired.
Yes.
It appears from office note that notice issued to respondent number 8 has been duly served. However, the service report in respect of respondent number 7 has not yet been received back. Hence, the appellant is directed to take fresh steps as regards respondent number 7 by through speed post as well as by usual mode within 7 days from the date of this order.
He
Returnable
also
on.
did not appear in the tribunal also, lordship, he did not appear. Driver.
No, if they fail to
Repeat
take
the-
steps, we will wait. 3rd of June.
Oh, bless you.
Item 16.
Yes.
My lord, we tried to contact our, the claimant, but recently we could not contact him, and recently we found out that he has expired. So we request your lordship to give us time to complete the petition.
Who has expired?
The claimant, Janara Begun. She has expired. Similarly, the claimant.
So what is your prayer? Is there any legal error?
Yes, my lord. So her son will replace her.
Okay, what is your name?
Thesis Pavisho.
Heard, Mr. Give your name. Learned counsel for the applicant who submits that the applicant has and who submits that it has been informed to the council, learned counsel, that the applicant has expired. When she has expired? You know the date?
No, my lord, I don't know.
Has expired and accordingly needs some time to take appropriate steps for substitution of legal heirs of the applicant in this case. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed on 5th of June.
Thank you, my lord. Much obliged.
Item 17.
None has appeared for the appellant on call. Let this matter be listed 29th of April.
Timing item 4.
This appeal has been mainly filed on the ground that deceased was driving a motorcycle and there is a head-on collision. So there must be some reduction on contributing negligence. Secondly,
Quantum.
contributing negligence, quantum. So we'll deposit 50% of the award and let me release him the claim.
Heard Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr.
B. Borwa.
B. Borwa, appearing for respondent number
1 and 2A.
1 and 2A, as well as Mr. R.K. Bhatra, appearing for respondent number 5. This appeal under section 173 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 has been preferred by the Oriental Insurance Company Limited, impugning the judgment and award dated 15/7/2022 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Dibrugarh, in MAC case number 28/2020. I have gone through the grounds stated in the memo of appeal. This appeal is admitted. Let the records of MAC case number 28/2020 be called for from the concerned tribunal. Registry to take steps. Let the notice be issued to the respondents. Since Mr. Borwa has already appeared for respondent number 1 and 2,
2A.
1 and 2A, there is no 2A.
Already substitution has been
Okay,
made.
allow.
Registry has not corrected. Separate cost title also filed.
Okay, 1 and 2A. And Mr. R.K. Bhatra has appeared for respondent number 5. No formal notice need to be issued to said respondents. You have received? Learned, the appellant shall furnish copy of memo of appeal along with annexures to the learned counsel for the above respondents. As regards respondent number 3 and 4, the appellant shall take steps for issuance of notice upon the said respondents by speed post as well as by usual mode within 7 days from the date of this order, returnable on 5th of June.
My lord, may
Any objection?
no. We have liberty to withdraw.
I have no objection. He may withdraw also.
That may be indicated.
Heard Mr. S.K. Goswami. Counsel on naam likhigo. This application under Order 41 Rule 5 of the Code of Civil Procedure has been preferred by the applicant insurance company in connection with MAC appeal number 588/2025, praying for stay of execution of the judgment and order award dated 15/7/2022 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Dibrugarh, in MAC case number 28/2020 during the pendency of the connected MAC appeal number 588/2025. Learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the appellant insurance company is ready to deposit 50% of the awarded amount as a condition for grant of stay of execution of the impugned judgment and award. Learned counsel for the appellant, learned counsel for the respondent number 2A,
1 and 2.
1 and 2A, as well as respondent number 5, does not have any objection to the said proposal. Hence, this interlocutory application is allowed. The execution of impugned judgment and award dated 15/7/2022 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Dibrugarh in MEC case number 28/2020 shall remain stayed during the pendency of the connected MAC appeal number 588/2025, subject to deposit of 50% of the awarded amount by the applicant insurance company before the registry of this court within a period of 6 weeks from the date of this order. Stop. In the event of such deposit by the applicant insurance company, registry shall disburse the same to the respondent number 1 and 2A / claimants after proper verification. This interlocutory application is accordingly disposed of.
Pending item 2.
Lordship, in this case, I am for respondent number 1, Lordship.
Who is
Last 2 occasions, the appellant did not appear because Lordship, he informed me instead of his short name, RC Pal, his full name is showing in the cause list, Lordship, Ravindra Chandra Pal, and that's why he could not detect the item, Lordship, in the cause list. So, Lordship may direct to register to show his.
No, that cannot be a reason.
Otherwise, Lordship.
We'll give one more chance to him. You inform him.
Yes, Lordship.
None has appeared for the appellant on call. Mr. What is your name?
Yes, Alam, Lordship.
S. Alam. Mr. S. Alam, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 is present. Let this matter be listed again on 30th April.
Item 18 and 19.
And may I pray for little accommodation in the matter? Let it come in the next week on 26th or 27th,
It is yet to be admitted.
yet to be admitted. Let
Not
it
yet.
admit.
We'll
Lordship.
admit it.
Yes, Lordship.
Some lordship, some disputers, their lordship may prefer admission here. No, some lordship need to hire me because before admitting. So this is a formal just the application they have filed. There's nothing to admit in this appeal because
Okay.
The
You
ground
will be
is-
opposing admission.
the
Okay.
grounds they have incorporated. This.
Okay. Heard Ms. T. Som, learned counsel for the appellant.
Copy lordship. So a copy may
You serve the copy of.
by today it will be possible lordship.
Today, not today.
Not tomorrow. Yes. Yes.
Okay, I'm not reflecting
Okay,
it.
it's fine.
Yes.
Obliged.
Please.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, item number 13 and 14, your lordship. My presence, only my presence may be recorded.
Yes, item number 13 and 14. Also, Mr. D. Mandal, learned counsel for respondent number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have already given a date.
Yes, your lordship, in 14, I am the appellant. Analogous case arising out of the same accident.
Common orders for.
Yes, common order.
Okay.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item 20.
Highly oblige.
My lord, this is an appeal under section 173 of the MB Act. That is the order and judgment dated 6/8.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
On the same date, we have taken the
Okay.
steps.
We'll ask the registry to place the postal track consignment in the next week.
My lord.
Heard Mr. D. K. Jain, learned counsel for the appellant. On perusal of the office note dated 31/3/2026, it appears that service report of notice issued to respondent number 2 is still awaited. The registry is directed to place the postal track consignment report of notice issued to respondent number 2 by speed post before this court on the next date fixed. Let this matter be listed on 28th of April.
Yes.
Item 21.
In compliance on our court's order dated 18/6/2025, I have filed additional affidavit, but I have checked it is not on record. I have filed on 12/3/26 additional affidavit.
You have checked it.
I have checked here, but it is not.
It is not there. Heard Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr. S. Datta, learned counsel for respondent, opposite party,
One, your lordship.
opposite party number 1. Learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that in pursuant to the directions of this court by order dated 18/6/2025, the applicant has filed additional affidavit on which date?
12/3/2026.
On 12/3/2026. However, same is not yet tagged with the record. The registry is directed to tag the additional affidavit filed by the applicant with the case record and list this matter again on 30 April.
Item 22.
Yes.
This is my lord against my lord enhancement, my lord, the award of, my lord, the award was my lord, passed in
What
2017.
happened in mediation?
Mediation lordship, it is not settled lordship. It may be
Failed.
fixed for hearing lordship. 2007, award of 2017 lordship. Not failed yet.
No, whether service is complete.
Services lordship, insurer has appeared lordship. My lord, respond number 2, my lord, this is, my lord, against my lord, award of enhancement, this is for enhancement of the award law.
Who is respondent number 2?
Who is the driver and owner lordship? He is not, my lord, may not be party because my lord,
Heard Mr. M. H. Ahmed, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Ms. L. Sharma, appearing for the respondent number 1 insurance company. It appears that notice issued to service report in respect of notice issued to respondent number 2 has not yet returned. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that since this appeal is directed mainly against the quantum of the compensation, you are claiming
my lord, for enhancement law.
quantum of the compensation, you are claiming
Yes, lord.
compensation awarded to the claimant. Hence, the notice to the respondent number 2 may be waived. Prayer is allowed.
Maybe fixed for hearing lordship,
Uh,
court case lordship.
Let the records of MSC case number
Is there enough?
1736/2011 be called for.
My lord, probably it was with the, my lord, it was my lord, received lordship.
No, not received. Called for from the concerned tribunal. The registry to take steps for requisitioning the aforesaid records. Let this matter be listed for hearing after receipt of the aforesaid record on 23rd July.
Lost. Or like that.
Item 23.
Records have been received. Heard Mr. Heard Mr. K. Sharma, the learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. L. Dekra, learned counsel for the sole respondent. On perusal of the office note dated 7/4/2026, it appears that the trial court records have not yet been received in spite of issuance of second reminder to the same. Let a fresh reminder be issued to the trial court for sending the report. Let also a report be called for as to why, in spite of receipt of the requisition from this court, the records of the trial records were not sent. Let this matter be listed again, 5th of June.
Let me notice of the district judge, my lord. Otherwise, they will not send it.
No,
If it's our wife.
No, I have called for an explanation. I have called for an explanation.
Yes, they got his call for, but 3 days they have.
No,
not
I
done
have
it.
called for an explanation. I have dictated it.
Item 24.
That is fiction.
Date kiman dile? 5th of June.
What's the appellant is not here, but officer dated 17/3/26, respond number 3 is delivered. Correct consignment report. So, scan copy of the LCR matter is ready regards to service and LCR also. It may be fixed for hearing.
The appellant, none has appeared for the appellant on call. Mr. A.R. Agarwala, learned counsel for respondent number,
Phone number claimant lordship, respondent 1.
respondent/claimant is present.
Office note 17/3/26.
On perusal of the office note dated 7/3/2026, it appears that the postal track consignment report of notice issued to respondent number 3 shows that the notices have been delivered to the addressee. Accordingly, the notice issued to respondent number 3 is held to be duly served. The service of notice on all the respondents is complete. And the records of the concerned MSC case has also been received. Hence, this case is ready for hearing. Let this matter be listed for hearing on 23rd of July. Show the presence of Mr. T. Kolita. Service is complete on 23rd July for hearing.
Item 25 and 26.
None has appeared for the petitioner on call. Mr. M.J. Kadir, learned counsel for sole respondent is present. You wanted to file some written objection.
Yes, my lord, the last order is only on the correction of the cost title. So if he is only on the correction of cost title, then I may give the oral my lord objection.
Okay. Today we are adjourning because appellant petitioner is not present.
Yes, my lord, the matter may be fixed on Monday, my lord, because it is a my lord RSA of my lord 2017. My lord, the judgment was passed long before, my lord, more than 10 years ago, my lord.
No, Monday it will be difficult.
My
It
lord, on
has to be on
29th.
in the first week of May, any date.
Then on 4th, my lord.
4th, let this matter be listed again on 4th of May.
Item 27.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, your lordship, I am the claimant respondent here. Appellant is the insurance company, but we have filed an interlocutory application, lordship, which is 34/24/2025, your lordship. It is filed under order 32 rule 5(1) under section 151 of CPC, Your Lordship, because the original claimant had expired. Thereafter, her mother has been represented. She also expired. Now, two minor children has been alive, Your Lordship. Now, uncle will be represented. So kindly allow this petition, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Because his mother was also a party, so no issue.
What is order 32?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, the person can be represented as a next parent, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. I. Akan, learned counsel for the applicant
Applicant.
slash claimant. Also heard Ms. R.D. Majumdar, learned counsel for the insurance company. Who filed the appeal?
Insurance company.
And
Our delay is pending.
delays not
No,
yet,
no,
not
yet.
yet,
70
not.
days delay. After this, we will raise that.
This application under order 32 rule 5 within bracket 1. Rule 5 within bracket 1 of the Code of Civil Procedure has been filed by the present applicant. Who are you? Who is the uncle of claimant number 2 and 3 / respondent number 1B and 1C, who are minor, to allow the present applicant to represent them in the instant interlocutory in this case as their next friend. Stop.
24 or
It is submitted by learned counsel for the applicant that the original claimant, what is the name of the original claimant?
Moinul Haq.
The original claimant, Mr. Moinul Hussain, had expired,
Moinul Hussain, yes.
and thereafter his legal representative, including his wife Jaigun Nessa and his minor children,
wife,
Not mother.
mother, Lordship.
including his mother Jaigun Nessa, and who are Maria and Rekib.
Son.
Maria cannot be son.
Son and daughter, Your Lordship. Rekib is the son and Mariam is the daughter. Maria, yes.
Minor son and daughter were allowed to be substituted. However, during the pendency of the delay condonation application filed by the insurance company, that is IA civil number 1794, the mother of the original claimant, Ms. Jaigunasa, also expired, leaving only the minor son and daughter as the sole heirs of the deceased claimant. And therefore, the present applicant, namely, what is the name of the applicant?
Jainul Hussain as an applicant.
Jainul Hussain, who is the uncle of the minor respondents, number 1B and 1C, may be allowed to be represented in the connected interlocutory application. Learned counsel for the insurance company, considering the facts pleaded in the instant interlocutory application, does not raise any
Yes, because,
objection.
she was his mother.
Does not raise any objection. Accordingly, this prayer is allowed. Mr. Jainul Hussain, who is the uncle of the minor respondents, namely Maria Yasmin and Rakib Hussain, is allowed to represent the minors in the connected interlocutory application and the connected interlocutory application / MAC appeal. This interlocutory application is accordingly allowed.
We have a delay petition, Lordship, that is IA 1794 of 24. Delay is of 70 days, and we have explained that in paragraph 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. If they do not have any objection, Lordship, delay may be condoned because it is pending from 24.
Do you have any objection? Heard, Miss, in IA 1794, Agor order to assil in IA 3424. 3424. This one is
Delay.
1794. Heard, Miss R.D. Majumdar, learned counsel for the applicant insurance company. Also, heard Mr. S.I. Akan, appearing for the next friend of the minor respondent number 1.
B and C in the delay condonation petition.
Appearing for next friend of the minor respondent number 1B and 1C / claimant. This interlocutory application has been filed by the applicant insurance company, praying for condonation of delay of 70 days. How many days?
70.
70 days in preferring the connected MAC appeal, whereby the judgment and award dated 25/8/2023 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal number 1 Kamrup Metro, Gauhati in MAC case number 1650/2017 has been impugned. The applicant has explained the reasons for approaching this court belatedly after the prescribed period of limitation in paragraph number
3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Stop. Learned counsel for the respondents / claimant, considering the grounds stated in the application, does not raise any objection. Stop. I have gone through the grounds stated in the application for condonation of delay. Stop. Considering the said grounds to be sufficient cause which prevented the appellant in preferring the connected appeal within the prescribed period of limitation, the delay of 70 days in preferring the connected appeal is hereby condoned, and this interlocutory application is allowed. Registry is directed to register the connected appeal and list the same for admission on May. No, we will not give fixed day after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry. In MAC appeal, in the memo of appeal, you have to mention the name of next friend.
Then Lordship, I have to amend
the cost title.
only the cost item.
Cost.
But Lordship, without the order from the court, how can I? Let it be listed on that day, Lordship, when pass and order
Today I have
allowed that.
okay, let it be listed.
Otherwise, I cannot, they won't accept.
Take.
Alia passport.
So obliged.
ये तो. What is this? 3425?
Same part. Same district exercise.
3, 4,
4, 5.
Hey,
Oh,
that will be with our appeal.
yes, your lordship. Therefore, it's
that will be after
After the appeal is.
the appeal is admitted.
Alia.
Item 28.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, I am for the sole respondent, my lord, and we are filing affidavit in opposition today itself, my lord. The matter may kindly. Be
What is this I for?
Condemnation of delay, my lord.
You will be filing written objection.
Yes, my lord. I have already, my lord, prepared, and today itself I
Heard, Miss, what is your name?
S. Azmi.
S. Azmi.
Azmi. AJMI. Azmi.
S. Azmi, learned counsel for the applicant. Also Mr. M.H. Talukdar, learned counsel for the opposite party, who submits that the opposite party would be filing an objection against the application for condonation of delay, and same is ready. No, would be filing an objection against the application for condonation of delay today itself, and hence an adjournment is prayed for. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed on 12th of May,
along with the affidavit in opposition.
along with the written objection filed by the opposite party.
Item 29.
My lord, service is complete, my lord. Reminder should go for LCR, my lord.
Heard Miss L. Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Mr. G. Bokolia,
My lord.
learned counsel for respondent number 1 to 5.
My lord, the award has not been stayed and 50% deposit not yet made, my lord.
My lord. On that regard, my lord, we have filed additional, my lord, evidence, my lord.
Additional evidence?
There is no coverage for employee, my lord. Other than driver of the vehicle, my lord.
You have filed any stay application?
Yes, my lord, we have filed, but my lord, it may be hard.
You are not pressing now.
No.
They are not pressing.
They are not pressing?
Yes, my lord.
Then 50% may be deposited, my lord.
No, if they are not pressing, you can go for 100%. You can press execution of the same.
My lord. Stay na lage.
It appears from office note dated 16/3/2026 that the records of MAC case number 43/2022. NCR আহিছে নেকি?
No, my lord.
Has not yet returned, has not yet received. Issue reminder for the same. Let this matter be listed after receipt of the aforesaid case on 5th of June
For hearing, my lord.
Yes.
for hearing.
My lord, their stay application is not pressed, that may be recorded, my lord. Otherwise, we will be deprived, my lord. And the point they have raised is clearly it's covered, my lord.
No.
I have the Supreme
On
Court
the
authority
figure
and
we
also
have filed, my
the
lord.
rules, my lord. My lord, IMT 28 is covered the cleaner and paid driver, helper. There is a several judgment.
Now we will hear the matter finally on 5th of
Finally,
June.
my lord.
Oh, bless
5th of May, my lord.
5th,
June.
5th of June.
5th of June.
Item 30.
Yes.
Pursuant to the last order dated on 25, we were directed to take steps upon the respondents. Accordingly, steps has been taken. Moreover, there is office note on dated 6/4/26. Respondent number 4 has deceased. Lordship.
Died. So
Lordship, according necessary steps will be taken. And Lordship service report is also awaited for all the remaining respondents. 1, 2, 3.
heard Mr. S. Chetri, learned counsel for the appellant. Heard Mr. A. Chetri, learned counsel for the
Yes, appearing for RLE.
appearing for RLE, learned counsel for the appellants. What is your name?
Your Lordship, I am B.U. Laskar for all the respondent. However, we have not filed any wakalatnama as the number 4, respondent number 4 has recently died.
Also heard Mr. B.U. Laskar, learned counsel, appearing for respondents, who submits that they will be filing wakalatnama very shortly. He also submits that respondent number 4 has in the meanwhile expired. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant has prayed for allowing some time to take appropriate steps for substituting the legal heirs of respondent number 4 in this appeal. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed 8th of June.
Published.
Item 31.
May I have this Lordship?
Oh, yes. What is your name?
P. Lamu, Lordship.
P.
Lamu, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the appellant. Now, what is your prayer? You will take fresh steps.
Yes, Lordship, on the sole respondent, Lordship.
On perusal of office note dated 1/4/2026, it appears that the notice issued to the sole respondent has returned without service, with a postal remark within inverted comma, no such person in the address, RTS, inverted comma close. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that the appellant may be granted some time to track the appropriate, to trace out the appropriate address of the sole respondent and take fresh steps for issuance of notice on the said respondent. The prayer is allowed. The appellant shall take fresh steps for issuance of notice on the sole respondents by speed post as well as by usual mode within 7 days from the date of this order. Returnable on 8th of June.
Lordship, there is an interim, Lordship. May we continue?
The interim order shall continue till next day.
Give me, please.
Item 32.
Yes, my lord, this is a review application, review petition against order dated 9/1/26 in IA number 2425/2021.
What is the ground for review?
My reviews, my lord, the grounds are mentioned in the, I have just clearly mentioned in place number 5, my lord.
Okay,
Grounds of
you take steps for issuance of notice.
Okay, there is only sole respondent, so my notice may be issued.
Heard Mr. B.R. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. This review petition has been filed by the petitioner
Suneshwar Das.
Petitioner praying for review of the order dated 9/1/2026 passed in IA civil number 2425/2021 by this court, whereby the said interlocutory application was dismissed. Issue notice to the respondent. Issue notice to the opposite party. The applicant shall take steps for issuance of notice upon the opposite party by speed post as well as by usual mode within 7 days from the date of this order, returnable on 5th of June.
Highly applies, my lord.
Item 33. Item 33.
None has appeared for the appellant on call. Let this matter be listed again on 29th of April.
Item 34.
Wait, this is your lordship. Lordship, as per office note dated 7/4/24, notices are sent, lordship, so we have to await service on respondent number 456. Both ways it has.
And Miss Adi Mujumdar, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Miss, what is your name?
B. Datta.
B. Datta, learned counsel for respondent
1, 2, and 3.
on number 1, 2, and 3. On perusal of the office note dated 7/4/2026, it appears that the notice issued to respondent number 4 to 6 by speed post have not yet returned. Stop. The registry is directed to place the postal track consignment report of notices issued to respondent number 4 to 6 by speed post before this court on the next date fixed. Let this matter be 4th of May.
Item number 33. I apologize, your lordship. I was in court number 13.
Okay.
As per office note dated 7/4/2026, thus as per the service.
You wait for some time. We'll take it up.
35.
35 also, lordship, office note dated 7/4/26, notices have been sent by usual and speed post.
25. Heard Miss R.D. Majumdar, learned counsel for the appellant. On perusal of office note dated 7/4/2026, it appears that notices sent to the respondents by speed post have not yet returned. Stop. The registry is directed to place the postal track consignment report of notices sent to the respondents by speed post before this court on the next date fixed. Let this matter be listed again on 12th of May.
Item 37.
Yes.
Lord, there is a delay of 18 days and we have filed our objection to it. But my lord, without recording that we have considered, delay may be allowed.
Heard Mr. What is your name?
As Islam.
S. Islam, learned counsel for the applicants. Also heard Mr. R.K. Batra, learned counsel, 'counsel' 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 ' learned counsel for the opposite party, insurance company. This application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act has been preferred by the applicants / claimants for condoning the delay of 18 days in filing the connected MAC appeal, whereby the judgment and order dated 29/2025 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Bongaigaon in MEC case number 126/2020 has been impugned. Stop. Though the insurance company opposite party has filed a written objection against the said prayer, however, after going through the grounds stated in paragraph number
3 and 4.
3 and 4 of the instant interlocutory application, this court is of considered opinion that the applicants were prevented by sufficient cause in approaching the court for filing the connected MAC appeal within the prescribed period of limitation. Accordingly, the delay of 18 days in preferring the connected appeal is hereby condoned, and this interlocutory application is allowed. The registry is directed to register the connected MAC appeal and list the same for admission after a week on a date to be fixed by it.
Obliged.
Item 33.
Is lot.
33. 33 likhable. Heard Mr. S. Sharma, learned counsel for the appellant. On perusal of the office note dated 7/4/2026, it appears that notice issued to respondent number 5 and 6 have been received by the nephew and brother of said respondents respectively. Accordingly, the notice issued to the said respondents are held to be duly served. As regards as notice issued to respondent number 1 to 4, service report is awaited. Stop. The registry is directed to place the postal track consignment report of notices issued to respondent number 1 to 4 before this court on the next date fixed. List this matter again on 12th of May.
Grateful.
Item 43.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, as per office note dated 8/4/2026, unserved notices have been received back, your lordship. Lordship will take fresh steps.
But Miss, what is your name?
S. Kataki, your lordship.
S. Kotoki, learned counsel for the appellant. On perusal of the office note dated 8/4/2026, it appears that notice is issued to respondent number 1 to 3. How many respondents are
3, your
there?
lordship.
Have returned with a postal endorsement within inverted comma, insufficient address, comma, RTS, inverted comma, close. Stop. In view of the aforesaid office note, comma, learned counsel for the appellant, praise for allowing the appellant to trace out the proper address of the respondent number 1 to 3 and take fresh steps for issuance of notice on the said respondents. The prayer is allowed. let this matter be, let the respondent, let the appellant take fresh steps accordingly by speed post as well as by usual mode within 7 days of date of this order returnable on 8th of June, list accordingly.
Lordship, the trial court records have also not been received.
It appears that the records of the trial court have also not been received. Issue reminder for the same, list accordingly.
Obliged.
Delivery of judgment, item 38.
For reasons mentioned in the judgment, the appeal filed by insurance company is dismissed and the cross objection is partly allowed. The total compensation to be awarded to the claimants is enhanced to rupees 39,87,730 with an interest at the rate of 7.5% per annum. The awarded amount is to be apportioned in 7 equal parts, and each claimants will get 1 part therefrom. Out of the respective shares of each of the minors dependents, an amount of rupees 3 lakhs shall have to be kept in fixed deposit in any nationalized bank till the date of attainment of age of majority by the said minor claimants. As regards claimants who have already attained the age of maturity, their shares may be disbursed to them immediately.
Highly obliged.
Item 39.
For reasons mentioned in this judgment, this arbitration appeal is dismissed. Item number 40 and 41 will be declared tomorrow.
Item 42.
For reasons mentioned in the judgment, the review petition is allowed and the order under review is vacated. The registry is directed to restore the revision petition 375/25 and list the same for hearing again in the second week of May on a date to be decided by it.